Devastating car crash that left 4 childhood friends dead. Today, a jury convicted the only survivor. Good evening. I'm Alice Gaynor in for Maurice Dubois.
Welcome back. I'm Christine Johnson. At 5:30 right now, Joseph Beer was behind that wheel of the car when it crashed on the Southern State Parkway 2 years ago.
He was 17 years old and high on marijuana at the time. As CBS 2's Steve Langford reports, a jury voted to send the young man to prison.
He's just the property of Nassau County right now.
The father of the teenager just convicted for his role in this horrifying car wreck. Then 17-year-old Joseph Beer driving over 110 miles an hour in the middle of the night after smoking marijuana in October 2012. The violent crash on the Southern State Parkway, killing all 4 of Beer's teenage friends.
Those were his friends, and I don't think he's thinking about anything else.
Beer, now 19 years old, convicted of manslaughter, reckless endangerment, and reckless driving. But the jury not reaching a verdict on charges of aggravated vehicular manslaughter or operating a motor vehicle while impaired by drugs. The district attorney pleading for clearer marijuana impairment laws.
And we just need Albany to act. And we won't be discussing this anymore because it will be on the equal par with intoxication by alcohol.
This is a young man that expresses no guilt or sorrow.
The stepfather of one of the teenage victims delivering an unsparing assessment of the young driver who killed his son.
Joseph is the type of person that would come to a funeral after he was told not to come. He would show up there anyway, very cocky. Joseph will take pictures at a funeral, smiling, and will post it on Facebook.
Joseph Beer's defense attorney acknowledges the heartbreak, but will argue for a reduced sentence.
He was 17 years old when this happened, and that makes him eligible for youthful offender treatment.
As it stands for now, because of the partial verdict, Joseph Beer is looking at 5 to 15 years in prison on the manslaughter convictions. In Mineola, Long Island, Steve Langford, CBS 2 News.
And Joseph Beer is scheduled to be back in court June 24th.